Hi guys, today is the 13th of April. We're roughly a week on from the first investment, and if we look at the portfolio balance down at the bottom here, you will see it has actually fallen slightly. We're sitting at £118.20 as we speak. And in a way that's a good thing, because if you are going to get invested in the stock market, you need to appreciate the fact that the market does rise and fall, and that is normal. When it falls, your best bet is actually to see it as an opportunity. It's an opportunity to buy at a slightly cheaper price than you would have before. So in other words, for the same amount of money, you can get slightly more shares or stock accordingly. So I'm going to go ahead and make the second purchase now. Before I do that, actually, I just want to draw attention to the average price. So you'll see here at present, average price shown at 65.5426, and after we make our purchase, I would expect to see that fall slightly because the market has fallen. We'll be doing what is often referred to as dollar cost averaging. You could call it pound cost averaging, of course, and it literally means where there's a difference in the purchase price, then for the full amount of stock or shares that you've bought, the average price will change, and in this case it should change downwards. So let's see what that comes to after we make our purchase. So I'm going to buy, and as I said before, it's going to be £120 each week of the Vanguard S&P 500 index fund, exchange traded fund, and let's put that through. So it's actually telling me there, I forget how much the first time was indicated, but at today's rates we're looking at buying roughly 1.858 shares. So I'll put it through. The green dashed line indicates your I suppose that indicates your average price actually. Now you may have seen that move slightly. It did move downward slightly, and the average price has changed as well because we're buying at a lower price. So the average price is now 65.0463, just to reflect the change in the market. Guys, I'll leave you with that for now. I have said before I will explain in a separate video the logic behind investing in the S&P 500. I'm still working out the best way to put that across. If you have a look on the channel, there are links to playlists containing videos made by other contributors who quite frankly have done a spectacular job at explaining this already. And I think it's for that reason that I'm somewhat reluctant to reinvent the wheel, but nevertheless I will explain it at some point in my own words and using my own figures and data and so on, just to demonstrate the reality and show that when you do the research, you do come up with the figures that support the logic behind this. If you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you can get started on your own FIRE journey soon.